Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. Happy Monday. Today it is Monday, May 16th. Shout out to my mother-in-law. It's her birthday. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So let me just go ahead and zoom out real quick. So you can see right here, these are the levels that we had been using previously all of last week, right? We had taken a bunch of sells from these levels last week, and price has now made its way back up. Now, one of the biggest things that I'm confused about right now is what we have here is we have lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, right? Because it broke this high right here. Then we had a lower low, right? Broke below again. Well, you can see it just broke below, and I noticed before, like sometimes that's all it takes is for price to just wick out, and that's the break of structure, right? But then we had this huge push up on Thursday that translated into this huge gain, right? So it went from 11,680 all the way up to 470. So that's about 800 pips, right? Let's just go ahead and be sure. I'm terrible at math in the morning. So we had about an 800 pip gain from Thursday into last night, right? And what I see is that we had an obvious break of structure, in my opinion. I think price can make its way back down. If we just do it something like this, you could see that we have golden zone right here. Maybe we could go to the 30-minute. What do we see? Nothing necessarily, right? Let's see. So we have, I like this ILC right here. I think there's a good chance that price comes down to these levels right here, at least to this ILC, which would be about 200 pips if price kind of retraces back up. And the reason I say that I think, we're kind of moving away from a downtrend, at least for today. I mean, we got to see, right? But so we've seen the break of structure here, right? We've seen this high be broken, right? Price pushed up, use this area, this resistance, support, and pushed up off of it, right? So what I'm thinking now is we had higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, right? Because it broke this low right here, in my opinion. Right, we could go down to the 15-minute to be sure, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And I think that's what you see right here, right? Now, obviously, this happened before open, so it's up about 70 pips from this area. And remember, this is the same area we've been taking sells off of all of last week. Now, I wouldn't take the trade here. I wouldn't put a buy in here to take it back up to this level. I would wait for price to come back up here. And if it doesn't happen, I'm thinking that, I'm going to just stay away. I was able to catch a little trade up here from last week, just to get my bearings back. I didn't even put it in up here. Where the hell did I catch the trade at? So, I was able to close those positions. I held them over the weekend and was able to secure, dollars for me to come into today. So I'm not in any rush to go ahead and put in some trades. You know what I mean? I'm not in a rush to do that. So what I'm just waiting on now is we're going to see what price gives us up here. Is it going to react off the 15-minute 50 EMA? What is it going to do? So that's where we're at right now. I don't have any positions in, but this is a trade that I'm looking to take. Yeah, price goes ahead and gets back up here. This is the move I'd be looking to take. And another big thing that I did notice is so this is the 4-hour 50 EMA right here. You can see price kind of respected that. This is the 2-hour. Let me see here. Go back to the 2-hour. I want to just make sure we have this out. Outlined. So this is the 2-hour right here. So there's a lot to kind of unpack right here, but this is one of the obstacles we got to go through. We got to get through the 15-minute, but it does look like it's falling, and it's falling quick. Before we go, let me see here. Forex Factory. Hold on a quick second. shit is moving. When I was at the gym right now, I actually seen this hit, and I didn't want to put any trades in, but I fucking seen this hit. I didn't think it was gonna. I thought it might stay up here until open, but fuck. You know, truthfully, I'm not sure I would take any trade from here. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know if I take this. Support, support. Yeah, you know, I'm looking for trades to take right now, and I don't want to do that. I think there's a good chance that price can reject this 5 minute, 15 minute, 50 EMA. I think this is a strong level to look at, but I don't know if I necessarily take the trade right there, especially with this 2 hour 50 EMA that's being respected so much. Um, I think more likely than not, I'm gonna just wait. So obviously it didn't break right here. I think this is the one, the low that needs to be broken. So let's see if we get a retracement up and maybe we get a retest at this level. That's what I'll be looking for. And we could possibly see a retest here as well. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, you could see the 1 minutes right here. So we could see price push up and reject this 1 minute as well. Again, I don't think I would take any trades at this level. I think it's a strong level that we could definitely see a rejection. But you know, it's not according to my plan. But you could see right here, we could see price push up and possibly push this level down. I'm gonna remove this. Did you have a good sleep? Alright, so, you know, let's see. I have, we got a few minutes, right? We got about 5 minutes till open, 4.5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Mm. What's up, dude? Keep back. Yay. Yay. Ah. What's up, dude? I love you. So let's see. Move this out the way. Alright, now we just do the waiting game right now. Like I said, I'm not too sure I would take any trade at this level necessarily. Even though I do see, now I'm starting to see it a little bit more clearly. We have this area here. We got resistance, 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 support, 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 resistance, support, 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 resistance, 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 resistance. So this is a key supply and demand area. Like I said, you can see it somewhat rejecting this already. It could legit fall down right here. I could see that happening now that I have this area tied up. Let me go ahead and make it the right color. So I could definitely see this happening at this area, right? Because we do know this is a strong supply and demand area just because prices showed us that, you know, since last week. So, you know, let's see. You could already see that price kind of retraced up, retested the area, and fell. So let's see. I mean, if I do enter right here, we got about a minute till open. If I do enter right here, it's going to be a small position, and even for me, it'll be a small position, maybe a 0.01, 0.02 max. So we'll see what price gives us at that point. But you know, we just got to see. We got to wait and see. Like if we were to take this position here, I'd probably wait for it to get a little bit deeper inside right here, maybe to the 1 minute, and I'd be looking something like this. Let's say right here. So it's just, we could call it 40 pips, and this is the biggest roadblock right here because we know this is a strong support level, right? Like the support level is seen right here. We can obviously see it. So this is one of the big things we got to worry about is this support level. But if not, I see price coming down to this area. This would be, like I said, I would put in a small position here just because we do have confirmations to take this trade in terms of the continuation. We've already had, you know, a 64, 65% retracement, probably closer to 70% actually. So 70% retracement into this area that's been respected multiple times. And now that we missed it up here, we could possibly catch it right here, but it's a risky trade right here, so I just want to let that be known. Let's see, we got about, oh, we had open now. Oh shit. Damn. Let's see. I mean, I don't have anything in yet, but it looks like it might just come down from here. What? Damn. Yeah, that shit's already flying. Let's see what price gives us right here. Could possibly, whoa, that's a big rejection. Hey. I just put in a sell right now, a small one, 0.02, but I'm not sure I necessarily like it, just because of the area, right? Or I'm sorry, the rejection that we're seeing right here. So we'll see what price gives us. I'm in at 323. It's a 0.02, nothing crazy, nothing big. So we'll see what happens right now. That bead. Okay, we got a little bit of a reaction right there. Let's see if it can push back down though. That's our biggest thing, right? Can it get back down to the area of interest? Doesn't quite look like it, right? It looks like it kind of rejected the area and it's keeping the push to the upside, but we'll see. I mean, we're already in the trade. Let me show you where I'm at exactly. See if it'll come down. Alright, so we're in it. This is a big area. I might take some profit right now, just because. Yeah, it's rejecting it a little bit, but I'm going to keep it in. Let's see if it can continue down, right? I just pulled half of my position, and $89, you know, I'll take it. This is a key area right here. We've seen a key rejection. Oof, I don't like that. But I'm going to keep it in. Stops to break even. Again, I may not break even, so we're up about 40 pips right now. If it rejects this, then you know, it is what it is. We're a little bit lower than this. Whoa, 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 whoa. Wet, 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 chicken butt. Wet, wet, chicken butt. So yeah, we're up about 50 pips right now. We'll see what the market gives us, if it's going to give us a little bit more. And yeah, let's see if it continues to push down. Definitely could. We're in there now. I have about 60 pips right now. If you're able to hop in, let me know where you're in at. I'm in at 323.24. You can see the rejection that's happening right there. I don't necessarily like that it's not breaking. I mean, it broke this low, which is good, but we got to see a break below here too. Hopefully it doesn't go too far back up. You know, I'll probably pull my trade. But we'll see. This is the end of the 5 minute. Let's see what the next 5 minutes gives us. It was kind of a big push to lead it. Let's see. See if it can break through right here. Okay. Remember, this is still a big area of interest. Yeah, I didn't put a big one in here, but yeah. I just closed my position. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with the profits I made yesterday and today. I think it should still come down. It's just a matter of where it's coming down to, right? So keep holding your position. I think the only reason I pulled it is just, like I said, I'm happy with the profits that I've had for the past couple days, and well, last night and today. So the only thing I was worried about is this support level right here. I could have held my trade for longer, and you can see the price is still moving down, right? So Just remember, this is a key support level right here. And you can see it already rejecting this zone. But I do think it's going to break through it because we've already broken this low right here. So, you know, all in all, we're okay. Was anybody able to enter this? I know there's one person on here. I'm not sure who's on here. But if you're able to enter, let me know. You know, we'd be up about 75 pips right now. Getting closer to 80 again. I do think it's coming down, and now that I look at it, I think we could see it come down to at least this level right here. Again, I'm out of the trade already, but I think 124 pips is very, very viable for it. Yeah, so we caught a decent trade today, about 80 pips total. I know I got 80. Where's my entry at? Oh, you know what? No, I didn't. I thought I secured 80. So I secured about 63 pips. My biggest position for today. 63 pips. And you could see the rejection that happened. And obviously our stops would have been just above here. Just above this level right here. Let's call it 30 pips. So it wasn't a great risk to reward ratio. And, you know, that's why I was kind of expecting it with a low position, just because I knew this could possibly happen right here, what you're seeing. Huge rejection. I still think it can come down. I just would have liked to have seen this wick be below this one for more confirmation that it's coming down. This, it could push up. I still believe it's coming down, but it could definitely push up from here. What you talking about, dude? Yeah, so all in all, I'll take the trade, you know, just get in and get out. You know, we catch 60 pips. And, you know, shout out to, what's his name, Ryan. He's part of that, damn, look at that retracement. He's part of that FIP team, Forever and Profit team with Q Banks. Man, I see him on US30 putting in 1.0 lots and catching 10 pips, you know, which is a rack. You know, closing positions at 10 pips, 20 pips, and it's like, okay, that gives me hope about what I'm doing. You know, I'm a scalper at the end of the day, so the goal is to make money. Yeah, of course, I want the pips, and those pips will come. Man, good thing I pulled my trade. I just knew that this level was something to be reckoned with, right? We've already seen what price has done here, and look at what it did. That is crazy. It could reject right there again and come down. Obviously, it would have stopped this out. I'm not going to enter the trade again just because I've seen that rejection. We could see it push up from here, but you can if you'd like to. There's 12 seconds left on that candle. I like the rejection there, but it's engulfing the entire bear candle that just happened at 6:30. So yeah, you can see it's still pushing. I'm gonna stay away from it. I think actually, now that I look at it, this is what I see. I actually see this layer getting touched right here. This might be a clean, I mean, you can see it rejecting here already. We've seen it before, but I don't like that it's been engulfed, personally. Hey, get off my boat. Yeah, that's a golden zone ILC right there. Might take the trade. Let's see. Oh, it already tapped it. Let me see here. Damn. I might have one. I entered a little position. Close my position. Motherfucker. Fuck. Damn it. Let's see if you get a little retracement, buddy. Fuck, I closed the position. No, you're fine. Yes, sir. Good stuff today, Bimbo. I appreciate you hopping on, man. Thank you. I'm going to, good thing I closed my position. I'm going to stay away. Maybe it was meant to be. I'm going to stay away from here, and tomorrow we'll hop on and get some more money, man. I appreciate you for hopping on. And, yeah, let's get it, man. Thank you.